SKS Chamberlain
7.62 by 39.
Yeah, my brain's fried again. Sorry, loaded.
Alright, loader, ready to go.
We're not gonna fix bayonet quite yet. We'll do it later. If we run out of ammo and we still need it, we'll fix bayonets. Okay?
Okay.
You good?
Yep. There you go, you're good, you're good.
Oh, okay. I ain't shot it yet. Hey, why didn't you let me know I didn't? I
thought you knew that.
I didn't know it.
I see holes. I'm thinking you got almost everything.
I see holes.
I think
in different area codes. Area codes.
We threw a few drinks in the microwave. We're gonna try to clear them out. They are 15. This one has the binary on it. And nothing fancy. Full metal jackets. I don't know how many's in here. But we're gonna run it through. You good?
Yep.